I just want to marry a rich man. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ify. It's always a delight to see you here. If this is your first time of watching me, you're absolutely welcome. And if you've watched a couple of my videos before, thank you, thank you, thank you. And so today, I just wanted to share something very quickly. I saw an Instagram post of a couple. The husband is 100 years old, they're still alive, and the wife is 99 years old. And it made me start wondering, it made me think, what do people look out for in a spouse? If this couple, as old as they are still together and they were so friendly together at that age, it made me wonder, what do people actually look out for in a spouse? So enjoy the skit. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Just click on the subscribe button and click on the bell sign as well, so that each time I upload a video, you will be notified. Let's go. Let nobody judge me. This country has not been good to me or my family. I stopped education after my secondary school. My parents could not afford university. So I said, let me go and learn trade. Let me go and learn a business so that I can help and look after my younger ones. I'm the firstborn of my family. But the business is not working. I'm doing sewing, I'm doing cooking, no customers. The business is not working. So we are suffering. My parents are very old. Sometimes I can't even look after them. I can't pay their hospital bill. So, somebody that I want to marry, the person has to live abroad. The person has to live overseas. Hey, I believe that once I leave this country that has so much unemployment, so much poverty, so much pain, so much suffering, I believe once I leave this country, there will be doors and windows of opportunity open for me. The day I will leave this country, and to go and meet my husband in wherever country he is, I will enter the plane. Hey. When I enter the plane, you know that place that they put luggage? If you watch movies, you see inside aeroplane, they put luggage somewhere on top. I will enter the plane. I will take my luggage and I will put it up there. Then I will turn around and cheer Nigeria waka. My father's side is Catholic. My mother's side is Catholic. I want to marry a man who is Catholic and who is an Igbo man as well. Yes, so Igbo man and Catholic. That's my choice. Okay. I want a partner who is good looking. Don't call me vain. I'm just being realistic. Do you know I saw on Instagram one man and his baby? I don't know where they are from. The man's nose very big. Hey, you would think a rat can run inside. This is how the man's nose was big. His baby's nose big. What future does that child have? Me, I want a man that is good looking so that my children will stand a chance of having a good future. Nobody will bully them because their face is like this or their nose is like this. Please, I want a man that is very, very good looking. You know, tall and handsome. You know, me, I want a partner who would stand by me. Especially with this issue of in-laws. You see, with these years, I've heard a lot of stories about sister-in-laws, mother-in-laws. I don't want wahala. I want a man who will stand by me, who will stick up for me in thick and thin. Now, I'm not saying that I'll do wrong and he will stand by me. No, I will not do wrong by my in-laws. If once I'm married, I will love and embrace my in-laws. But you know, some in-laws are naturally headache. They don't want to let go of their child, even though they want their child to get married. If somebody from the family wants to come and visit us, please come and visit us. So come and eat, come and do everything, but don't go and gossip about me. Don't go and start saying you saw me here or I did this. No, I want a man who will stand up by me and say, enough is enough. When they say, oh, they are coming to stay for 7 years, the man will say, stay where? Me, I don't want any problem. I want somebody who will be my friend till the end. Someone who will understand that even though we love each other, there will be misunderstandings because we have different personalities. So someone who is open to talk to me, who are open to communicate with me. If we have any problems, you tell me about it. If I have any problems, I'll tell you about it. We don't go and start gossiping to people and saying, oh, this is our problems. I just want someone who is free to talk to me about anything and who I can also talk to about anything. Like a gist partner, you know. I don't like people that don't want to talk about things, especially issues that they have going on. Because if you don't talk about it, how will the other person know what the problem is? So I want someone who is open, who will talk to me about anything, no matter how painful. Then we can talk about it and sort it out. That's the kind of person I want. A gist partner. I'll be 39 years old in June. All my mates are married. In my village, they are asking, when am I getting married? What am I still doing in my father's compound? So I just want to get married. Somebody, me, I want to marry somebody who loves me and I love the person back. And I want him to be hardworking. I want him to know how to cook. Not that I'm lazy. I'm not lazy. But I just love that friendship where in the kitchen everybody is helping each other out. When the child or the baby needs help, then I can call my husband, please help me out, and he will help me out. I don't want all these men that will sit down and start reading newspaper. Meanwhile, I'm in the kitchen cooking, and the baby needs help, and another child needs help. Then I'll be running up and down like a headless chicken while he's sitting down reading newspaper. No, I don't have the energy for that. I want somebody who will just help me, and we can help each other. That's the kind of man I want. Yeah, I don't like too much stress. Or the world is too stressful. I want a partner that will stand by me against all odds. Especially when life happens, because life will happen. Maybe I'm not feeling well, maybe I'm ill, or maybe I'm old and I need help. I want a partner that will be with me and stand by me in sickness, in old age, even when our teeth have all fallen off, so that we can be there for each other. That's the kind of partner I want. I want somebody who has the fear of God in them. And I'm not saying somebody that goes to church, as in lives in church every day, no. I want somebody who has a deep understanding, a deep knowledge of what marriage should be, of how God intended marriage. A man who understands that I, his wife, am his helper. I, his wife, am the neck and he is the head and will always be the head. Someone that would lead and I will follow. That's the kind of person that I would like to spend the rest of my life with. Me, I don't mind any man, as long as the man is not Idi Amin or Kilibi Machuku. I don't have energy to fight. I don't have energy to fight. I did not fight in primary school. I did not fight in secondary school. I did not fight in uni. Is it now that I'll start fighting? I want someone who will push me to live a better life, who would help me in the pursuit of my purpose, who would help me, who would inspire me to do better in terms of my career, and who has my best interest at heart, who would help me live my dreams, who would help me be the person I was born to be. And if I find this person, my goodness, I'm going to support this person as well in his own dreams, live the life that he was born to live. I just want to marry a rich man. Thank you guys so much for watching that video. Did you enjoy it? Did you enjoy it? Huh? Okay. Thank you guys so much. You guys are super amazing. If you're not married or if you're looking out for a partner, what are you actually looking out for? If you're already married, what did you look out for when you were choosing that partner or that spouse? Let me know in the comments. Let us chat. So guys, until I come your way again, take care, stay blessed, and if you haven't subscribed already, I'm watching you. Click on the subscribe button so that anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. Thank you guys so much, and I love you guys so much. Until I come your way again, take care, stay blessed. Bye-bye.